5 seconds to go. Start. PW21 took over the investigation, which factum we have recorded already. This officer, holding a very high post, made the arrest of the accused person, accepting Surjaram on 31st July 1989. As per the arrest memos and exhibits P16 to P18 and exhibit P9, Surjaram was arrested on 8th August 1989, followed by the arrest memo under exhibit P36. In his evidence, he says that on 2nd August 1989, he wrote letters to conduct medical examination of the accused persons. Even he was not aware of the facts narrated above involving the civil dispute. He did not remember as to whether he mentioned about the injuries inflicted on the accused persons as per the arrest memo. However, he got the injury reports on 24th July 1989 itself. He did not even visit the disputed site nor examined the landlords nearby. From the evidence discussed, the arrest having been made in the police station few days after the treatment was given to the two injured witnesses, almost all the recovery memos found the name of PW11 Om Prakash, who is an interested witness. We do not know as to how and in what manner arrest could be made, especially when the evidence of PW18 is clear in respect of the injuries suffered by the two accused persons and they were under the custody of the police when they were referred for treatment, which they took as inpatients. Obviously, PW21 also did not conduct any investigation on the injuries suffered by the accused. We do not wish to say anything more. Witnesses examined on the side of the defense along with the documents would primarily indicate two factors preceding the occurrence, namely complaint having been made by Surjaram in the morning hours of the date of occurrence, followed by an attempt to resolve the same through panchayat. Injury reports of the defense have been marked along with section 161 CRPC statements given by the prosecution witnesses in support of the case as projected by the defense. The prosecution witnesses in the second trial are the same as the first one except with the addition of a few. Even here, Bhupendra Singh, arrayed as PW3, had stated that the disputed path was closed days prior to the occurrence and the accused Ram Narayan was arrested from the hospital. This again is yet another contradiction in the case of the prosecution. PW4 Harlal, who was PW5 in the earlier trial, identified some more accused in the court. Even this witness once again stated that the way to the farm of the deceased Ladu Ram was closed days prior to the occurrence. Stop.